Hi there, I'm Dr. Stacy Cooper, health and wellness expert at drstacycooper.com, founder of Lifestyle Balance Solutions and creator of the Balanced Living Academy and author of the Healthy Fuels Cookbook. As you can see, I am here in my backyard in beautiful winter time in Canada, and I am ready for a little warmth and more sunshine. It is a glorious day here today, but I am so excited to share with you that we are taking Balanced Living Academy on the road. We are going to the sunny south, and I invite you to join me in Florida for our upcoming Balanced Living Academy Live. If you would like more information, leave a comment right below, and I will get you those links that you need to see everything that you need to get your health back on track naturally. At the Balanced Living Academy, I share with you how to fuel your body better for better body function. This is not a diet program. This is where I show you what happens on the inside. And when you have that understanding, then it's much easier to make the choices. This is not a diet program. This is how to fuel your body for optimal body function. We show you what your body needs, what to eat and what not to eat, and why. That way the choices are clear-cut and easy for you to manage. We swap out the bad fuels for great fuels so you still get to have your favorites like chocolate cake. It's one of our big hits. We also, don't just concentrate on food, because you can eat well 100% of the time, but if other areas of your life are stressed, then your body still won't function optimally. That's why it's called balanced living. We talk about quieting the mind and quieting the body. We have a chair yoga session included in the program for you to experience and take it to work with you the very next day. We have a full head-to-toe stretching routine that's in your workbook and included, and it's demonstrated so you know exactly what it's supposed to look like and how to implement it and get your body moving for enhanced vitality. I also share with you that tools that you can take home right away from my 5-step clean living formula. And it's all about balancing every aspect of your life. And these tools are all included in the program. If you want information, just make a comment right here below so we can connect with you and get you everything that you need. So share with all your friends, family, neighbors. If you want to join us in the sunny south, come to Florida and join us for the Balanced Living Academy and get your health on track naturally.